The Tokyo Game Show 2025 is almost here, and Capcom has officially revealed its full lineup, including major new titles for the Nintendo Switch 2. Here's what Capcom is bringing to Makuhari Messe in Chiba, Japan, this September. Monster Hunter Outlanders, the next big evolution in the Monster Hunter franchise. Monster Hunter Stories 3, Twisted Reflection, making its debut on the Nintendo Switch 2. Monster Hunter Wilds, the highly anticipated open-world entry. Onimusha, Way of the Sword, a revival of the beloved samurai action series. Pragmata. After multiple delays, Capcom's sci-fi epic finally returns. Resident Evil Requiem, the next installment in the horror saga. Resident Evil Survival, a new spin-off experience. And of course, Street Fighter 6, still going strong with new updates and content, all confirmed for Capcom's TGS showcase. In addition to the show floor demos, Capcom will also host the Capcom Online Special Program on September 24th. This presentation will deliver the latest news and trailers directly to fans worldwide. TGS 2025 runs from September 25th to 28th, and Capcom looks set to dominate headlines. With the Nintendo Switch 2 now in full swing, eyes will especially be on Monster Hunter Stories 3 and how it showcases the system's capabilities. From Monster Hunter to Resident Evil, Capcom is gearing up for one of its strongest showings yet.